Start by using the sticky back foam provided. Cut it to a required size and place it on the inside of the mounts to protect them from scratching the paint on your vehicle. Tip: when cutting foam, use razor blade. Wind the mounts onto each end of the light bar using the 8mm cup head bolt and rubber washers provided. To adjust the position of the light bar, remove and turn the bolt 1/4 of a turn in the square cutout. Place the light bar into position on top of the windscreen. You will need a spare set of hands to help you hold it up there. The mounts sit on the A-pillar in the door jamb. There is a limited area where these mounts can sit, so they sit flush and vertically on the vehicle. Adjust the light to sit horizontally. Once the light bar is in the right position, mark and drill the holes required, being 9mm. Just a tip before drilling: pre-drill holes first with a 6mm drill bit and then use the 9mm drill bit. When drilling, use drill depth stop. After drilling, paint and undercoat any bare metal. With installing the nutserts, using the bolt nut tool provided, simply hold the bolt and turn the nut clockwise, and this will crush the nutsert into the panel. Just a quick tip: ensure the drill bit is correct size. A tight-fitting nutsert is easier to tighten. Bolt up the brackets to the nutsert. Run the wiring down the side of your windscreen, preferably on the same side as the battery. Use a few dabs of silicone to hold it in place.